You scan these dozens of times a day, but where exactly is the info hidden inside? How squares turn into numbers, how the data is laid out, and why it still works even if half is gone. A QR code is really just a giant grid of squares. Each square is either black or white, so it's either a 1 or a 0, the exact language computers speak. But this mess is not random. The big squares in three corners are finder patterns. Your camera locates them first, so even upside down or tilted, it finds the right orientation. The real data hides in the middle region. Each letter becomes a number, then a black and white pattern. Here's the letter Y living inside the code. Here's the answer to the opening question. Even if you scratch out a third, it usually still works, because error correction data is baked in. The code rebuilds the missing part on its own. In short, a tiny, fault-tolerant machine language. Next up, why is a barcode dumber than a QR? Subscribe so you don't miss it.